Get rid of tinnitus, the best possible ways to cure tinnitus. Do you have a constant ringing sound in your ears? Well, if you do, then you may suffer with tinnitus. It can interfere with your daily activities and reduce your standard of life as the noise can be very loud and extremely distracting. Most people that suffer from this problem want to get rid of tinnitus for good. Learning to get rid of tinnitus will put you free from the irritating sounds that could torment you for years. Hypnosis is considered an effective way to get rid of tinnitus. It involves listening to certain noises and sounds so that your ears will be trained not to hear the annoying buzzing sounds anymore. Following self-hypnosis or engaging in a tinnitus hypnosis program will relieve stress, negative thoughts, and anxiety that are often seen along with tinnitus. The next good option to get rid of tinnitus is one that I want you to avoid. It is surgery. Don't get surgery when curing tinnitus. Yes, it will relieve ear ringing, but you will also lose most, if not all, of your normal hearing also. Therefore, you should try other options before even considering surgery. You do not have to feel the pain and discomfort of surgery or the ill side effects of drugs. The third alternative to get rid of tinnitus is an all-natural remedies. Natural remedies do not have any side effects, do not have any risks, nor do they expensive to implement. They work by solving the root cause of the problem. Curing ears ringing naturally has helped many tinnitus sufferers and is becoming really popular. There are also some herbal remedies you can use for relief as well because they help to control brain sensitivity to the inner ear. The most popular herb is ginkgo biloba, which acts as a neurotransmitter for the ears and the brain. Some other natural herbs include wild oats, rosemary, and black cohosh. These are all good tinnitus herbal remedies because they are easily obtained from your local grocery or health food store, and you can also make a cocktail or tea with them. Finally, just as a tip to keep the symptoms at bay, ensure that you maintain good health care, keep clean your ears, and check with your audiologist regularly to provide you with optimum benefit. Just don't go blindly with any treatment. You can certainly get rid of tinnitus fast if you try the above treatments. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel.